Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you turn off Open Firefox automatically when your computer start up. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, go to this and we will press the three bar icons. So here the settings options we will enter here. In the first page we will get the things. So here the things in presenting the general startup options. So there I have just selected a click in before. Now I want to off this section. So what have there have open Firefox automatically when your computer start up. So I have unmark this or unselect this. So see, in this way we can turn off these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.